eye of round, which is again suitable for roast, very thinly sliced roast. For instance, we use it for arrosto alla genovese. Or we could use it for scallopini if it's tender, or schnitzel if it's tender, because it depends sometimes on the age of the animal as well, right? And so I would say that predominantly use it as a roast, and it's safe way to go. But on emergency, you can use it for scallopini as well. And then we have the inside round, okay, which is divided, we said, in 3 parts. Okay, so we have which is called the blanket, okay, the blanket, which is a little bit on the tough side, therefore usable for roast. You know, you can sort of stuff it with some vegetables, boiled eggs, whatever, roll it up nicely, you know, and make a nice roast out of it for the family. Very, very nice. And it's going to end up being extremely tender because the texture is very loose, so it's going to be all right. We have this part here, which is extremely tender, okay? And so you can use it for scallopini if you like, or you can even cut a thick piece and grill it pretending it's tenderloin. Then we have the biggest part, okay, the bill inside here, which again, as you can see, the texture is different beginning from the head towards the tail here. So we start with a very tight texture and going to something looser and looser towards the end. However, it's pretty well all usable up to a middle for steaks, if you like, grilled, you know, very nice veal paillard. Or you can use the bottom part to make veal parmigiana or schnitzel, or stew if you like. You can mix it up with stew.